Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.2 question number 3. In a quiz, team A scored minus 40, 10, 0 and team B scored 10, 0, minus 40 in 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add integers in any order? Let us find. First we will find score of A. Score of team A. Score of team A. Score of team A. The score of team A will be equal to minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. Then you are getting minus 40 plus 10 plus 0. You are getting minus 40 plus 10 plus 0, that is 10. Here you see this is minus 40, this is 10. We have to subtract 10 from 40. This is 40, we subtract 10, that is equal to 30. That is equal to 30. And you see which number is greater? 40 is greater than 10, therefore it will be minus 30, right? Now we'll find score of team B. Now score of team B is score of team B. Score of team B is equal to 10 plus 0 plus minus 40, which comes out to be 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 plus into minus, that is minus 40, and subtract 10 from 40, that is 30. And which one is greater? You see 40 is greater than 10, therefore it will be minus 30, right? Which team scored more? We see that score of team A and score of team B is same. Which team scored more? Both the team both the team both the team both the team has same score, right? Same score. Now next question is, can you say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can say that. The answer is yes. We can say we can say we can say that we can add integers in any order. That is, we can write A plus B plus C is equal to C plus B plus A. Right? That means, can you say that we can add integers in any order? The answer is yes. We can say that we can add integers in any order, that is A plus B plus C is equal to C plus B plus A. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.